Well, I'm at home, like so many of us. Looking around in my pantry, I see a jar of coconut flour that I bought a while back. What to do with it? Want to use it up. I called a friend, and she had a recipe for coconut, chocolate, peanut butter cookies. When she gave me the recipe, I said, "No way is this going to work." But it did, and now I'm going to share this fabulous recipe with you. Okay, here's my coconut flour. So that was a half a cup of coconut flour. And hey, this is really easy because a lot of these measurements are a half a cup. A half a cup of peanut butter, half a cup of sugar, half a cup of chocolate chips, 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, a half a teaspoon of soda, baking soda, a half a teaspoon of cinnamon, a half a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of vanilla. Now before I mix this up, I'm going to preheat my oven to 350 degrees. Blending well. Goes on an oiled baking sheet just like this, using a teaspoon. Popping the tray into the toaster oven. That was 3 trays altogether of these wonderful coconut peanut butter chocolate chip cookies. Tray took about 9 minutes. Not very much time to perfect enjoyment. All the flavors are there. The coconut, the peanut butter, the chocolate. What a wonderful blend! Do you have some coconut flour lurking around in your pantry? Are you wondering what to do with it? Do you have a toaster oven? Your toaster oven can help you make some wonderful cookies. Over 250 delectable recipes in my Pop It in the Toaster Oven cookbook. If you can't get to your bookstore, you can order it online. I hope you're making your time at home enjoyable. Cookies will help.